Let's look at electrician salary in Sudan. The average salary of an electrician in Sudan is $1,690 a year. That is average annual gross salary, but after tax, it drops to $1,490, which leaves you with a take-home pay of about $124 a month. While average electrician pay across the country stays near this level, you'll find that electrician wages in Khartoum are higher at $1,760 after tax, though high living costs in the capital often eat up that extra income. Early in your career, an entry-level electrician income sits well below these figures, but your pay goes up quickly as you gain skills before it eventually plateaus. On top of that, having a university degree makes a big difference because it helps you move out of standard tools work and into better roles like electrical engineer or project manager. Specializing in high voltage systems or complex industrial power also brings home more money than basic residential work. So if you want to know how much does an electrician make in Sudan over time, extra training and urban jobs are your best path.